Hi guys, today we are going to see the code of creating a website that will do the mathematic operations. That means it can perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division in a website. Where in a website where I have some listed the total code. Like I don't create another CSS file to structure my code in a website, how it is it going to be printed. And this is a single code. That means this is the single code file that I write it entirely to get the output from this. And I even added some image that will look amazingly to enter your user input and enter your input and giving the output in a clear nominated manner. Let's get into the coding. Let's get into the output part. Here I'm going to run it. Here. This is the website I created. Yeah, the background image got blurred, but you can enter any image any point. For this, you have only like download your own image. That means I created some like I download some image that will placed in this file, and here I'm going to access that image by the name of that file, the name of that image. For that, I'm going to apply this background. Okay, I'm just going to like some more mathematical 47. Here, the second number that is going to be 89. First, I'm going to like giving it for addition. Addition is 136, and subtraction minus 42, and the multiply 4183. That is amazing. Yeah, this is the division, the result. Okay, this is the code I've written. You can freely you can freely enjoy this code by yourself. I'm just formatting. I'm just sending the link in the description so you can check it out and in the VS file VS folder of your computer. That's amazing, right? Okay, here is your today's topic. Do you all ever wonder how the computer is able to understand your text or your audio or your image or your video? Do you ever wonder how that computer or any machine that can grasp your data into understandable to the machine, and then the machine will give you the result you want to be seen? That means I'm like today I'm like I'm enter some or like a space. This is going to be text, okay, right? I'm going to enter only text, but here I'm plus all something it is to be printed somewhat all the links. But if I print images, that means it only show the images of these text. Yes, this is the online part, but we and we are going some videos space video, and it will give me some video, it will give you some videos, and it will give me some audios as well. So if you presented what you all wanted, so I'm going to explain it how the computer is able to understand. First, for the text, you earlier I'll explained the text is a format that is going to be ASCII format, and the only yeah, in fact, only English to be translated in the ASCII code. But in world, in globe, there are so many languages. We have 193 countries, and we have so many languages that can speak of. So further, um, they introduced some unique code. Here you can understand every language from that. He, mm, this is the information that is able to contain the thousands of data sets into one digital library that is going to be Unicode. Unicode full form means universal universal character encoding standard. That means that the character I'm going to enter, it's going to be encoded in a format that is going to be understandable to the machine, and the understand machine that is able to give the output as we can see that. And secondly, we are going to jump right into the image section. For image, mm, for image, we have like certain parameters, right? For image, we say it is actually like pixels. We all know the pixels. Sorry, that means it is saying a 720p pixels. That means HD 720p HD and 1080. It is the 4K. It is going to be the pixels. That means the screen is able to decide how the pixels are going to be performed. That means we are seeing like 320p pixels that are not very much of the assignable. Here I can show you some little example for that. This is the 320p. That means here I can't see the inner motions. That means I can't see the out like these buildings. But here this is the that is the 320p. And what I'm going to do is simply 4K. It means 1025. This whole here we can clearly see that the quality of the picture. We am zooming it around, zooming. Here we can clearly see that, but here we can't see that the clarity of that. Here, this is the pixel that is going to like this is for example, we assume that this is the picture, and we are going to that the computer is going to divide that into lines, into equal lines, that is able to crack it from C boxes, and this box is going to be one, and this box is going to be two second pixel, and this is going to be the third pixel, and around to that it is going to be classified that. And the audio is going to be performed in the computer is going to understand in a way that he is able to exactly the volume of the voltage and the frequency. The computer is able to depend on the frequency and the voltage of the audio signals, right? And this, the fourth most thing is video is also something like a screening, and here in video we have going to append images as well as the audio. That is going to be somewhat upgraded version of the image that is going to add the music. That's right. There are some going to the so tomorrow I'm going to briefly explain what it was going to be on like this with a little bit of PowerPoint help. That means presentation. I'm going to explain it briefly for the understanding of the computer of your language or anything in tomorrow. Thank you for viewing this channel. Hope you're doing well, and hope you learn something from me from today. I'm going to send the in the description. I'm going to send the code. You don't need to worry. You can enjoy it in your own self in your own computer that you can imagine. Today I'm signing off. Thank you for viewing this. Signing off.